the farmers began their protests outside Delhi against the contentious farm laws. Today, farmer organizations will be meeting to decide their strategy ahead of the next round of talks with the government tomorrow. Now, tomorrow's talks will be the fourth time that talks are taking place since the new farm laws were passed. Yesterday, there was no breakthrough in the talks where the government pitched for a committee to discuss farm laws. The farmers rejected that proposal. Agriculture Minister Narendra Tomar had suggested the formation of a committee which would include farmer representatives, people from the government as well as agricultural experts, but that was rejected. Today, the farmers will decide their strategy ahead of the meeting tomorrow.
Yesterday, your representative was there in that meeting.
Yes, sir.
Nothing came out. Government did not say that they are going to roll back, repeal those 3 acts. Neither they did give in writing that they are going to legalize MSP. What are your expectations now?
Yesterday it was the 5th meeting with the government leaders. So they told to form the new committee. I don't know, as far as myself concerned, we don't know that they are going to accept our demands.
So you are a law student.
Yes.
Yesterday meeting was there, nothing came out.
Yeah.
You've been talking to these farmers as a student. What do you think that how prepared they are? They are saying that they are going to be here for 6 months, 7 months. They don't know, but till the time their demands accepted, they are going to be here.
Yes, sir. Be it 3 months, 6 months, or an year, the farmers are determined to continue their fight.
So we are not going to step back.
You're not going to step back.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, tomorrow again, there's going to be another meeting. What do you think? Do you think something will come out?
No, sir. I don't think so. Sir, they are trying to politicize it, and they are not trying to unite us. They are trying to divide us. They are saying that you need to bring a 5-member committee. So the amount of farmers gathered here, it's impossible to create a 5-member committee. So they are trying to divide us.
Basically, their agenda for yesterday's meeting was to see how united are the farmers, how determined they are, and हम देखते हैं कि किसानों को कितनी सूझबूझ है. So basically, this was their agenda, and they came to know that farmers are determined, our spirits are high.
In fact, the Agriculture Minister Narendra Tomar has asked farmer unions to identify specific issues related to the Farm Reforms Act and submit them before the government in writing by today. And these issues will be discussed tomorrow during that 4th round of meetings. Earlier, we spoke to Himanshu for more details.
This is the first time that a public statement has been issued by Agriculture Ministry, which says that during the interaction, during the 3rd round of talks yesterday with farmer union leaders, it was suggested by the government to the representatives of farmer unions to identify the specific issues related to Farm Reforms Acts and share with the government on 2nd December for consideration. These issues will be discussed during the 4th round of meeting to be held on December 3rd. Government has made it very clear that now it wants all the 32 farmer union leaders who are directly in talks now with the government to first create a unified stand on the specific issues that they think are important, about which they have the most concern related to the 3 new farm laws, and then submit them in writing before Agriculture Ministry. And once the stand is submitted before the government, then the next stage happens. The Agriculture Ministry starts deliberating on specific issues and concerns that 32 farmer unions collectively have on the new farm laws. And then that will become the main agenda of the government in the next round of meeting, which is scheduled for tomorrow.